Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Yolk theme package is installed and current. This prevents missing markers later. Once done, open your project in a Yolk-compatible editor and switch on developer mode so you can inspect runtime assets. Make sure to load the theme assets from the theme folder rather than cache. That guarantees you're viewing the latest marker definitions. Now locate the theme's marker file, usually named markers, JSON or markers, YAML, so you can begin mapping visual markers to their ID. Next, you examine the marker file directly to find the markers. Open markers, JSON or markers, YAML, and search for marker ID, human-readable names, and any coordinate or anchor data. This tells you where each marker sits visually. As you read entries, map each ID to the corresponding UI element or scene asset in your project so the theme can reference them. If markers reference sprites or SVGs, link those assets now. Otherwise, create placeholder assets to test references quickly. Finally, apply your mappings and reload the Yolk theme to see markers rendered. You should test interactions and positions. Use a debug overlay or console logging to verify marker ID, resolve correctly, and to reveal coordinate offsets. If a marker is missing, double-check spelling and file paths, then replace a bad ID with a known working one. As a troubleshooting tip, restore the default markers file and reapply changes incrementally to isolate the error quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.